What's going on, guys? It's Ali. Welcome to Skill Addiction. So in the previous video we took it out and we ran it for a few tanks and it sounds okay, but some of you didn't like the sound. So in today's video I have a solution for that. I redesigned the exhaust. This is the old exhaust, which was few parts that you have to insert in each other, and it was a bit tricky because if you turn it, it's gonna be shorter and not gonna get into the engine. So I made it easier. I made this one. It's two parts and it has a flange at the middle. You can put M3 bolts and it will be bolted on, and here I made a small muffler, so it will change the sound a bit. But yeah, this is a PLA. I did few of these until I get the right measurement. So in the front it will be sliding in, and I didn't make any changes with that because whenever we want to remove the engine, it will be sliding out and you don't have to make any flanges over there. But yeah, and in the back as well, so this goes to the back, to the exhaust tip, same just like the engine. If we remove the rear bumper, it will slide out just like this. But yeah, this is what I did. This is a PLA, and I also printed in pad CF, which is this one, and it taking the heat and not gonna have any problem. So some of you have been asking me about 3D printing this with pad CF. I don't think it holds up because we have a hot engine and that fume comes out. It's very hot and we have a sharp edge here, and all that heat will hit this part and it will melt it at the end. But when we have a straight pipe and here, it's not going to be a problem because by the time it gets here, it will be cooled down a bit. So the best solution for that to be 3D printed with metal, just like I did with the PCB Way, which they are sponsor of this video. This video is sponsored by PCB Way. Think about PCB Way as all-in-one platform for CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding. If you are working on a custom design like me and you want to have highest 3D print quality, this is the way to go. You just have to upload the STL file here, choose the material, and it will tell you the price and shipping days. PCB Way is linked in the video description box below for more information. Thanks to PCB Way for sponsoring this video. Alright, let's put the exhaust together. So for the hardwares we need 2 M3 bolts, about 10 millimeters. 8 will be good too. And for putting these together, you have a notch here and it has to be aligned together like this. And for this side we have a mount place on the chassis, so I'm gonna use one screw like this. It's the same screw that comes with every servo, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Alright, the fitment is good and it's not touching anything. I had to do a few tries till I got it like this, but the problem with pad CF, it is brittle because it's not like a chassis. We don't have that much layer. With this, 2 or 3 layers because it's a pipe, and I had to break few of these till I got that correctly. But I'm gonna have to 3D print it with metal as well by PCB Way. So here are the metals we can choose. So let me guys know which material should I choose so we can 3D print this with metal. But now we have this file and it's way better than the other one we have. It was few pieces and it was a bit tricky to put it together, but this one will be way better. Alright, now I'm gonna refuel it and test it, see how much difference we have with the new exhaust system. That's how it sounds. Let me guys know, which one do you like? The modified one, the one I did, or previous one? I think this one makes it a bit damper. I think I'm gonna stay with this exhaust system because it's way easier to be installed on the car, not like the other one I had. The other question I was getting from you guys, am I gonna paint it or put decals on it? So I have an idea for that. Let's do it. So we're gonna be using Algo's laser for engraving, and I would like to put Scale Addiction logo here, or just a text. It's one of my favorite on the side skirt. So before doing that, I will make a test print 15 by 15 centimeter with the same material, so we can test it before cutting that side skirt. It is a nice tool to have with your 3D printer if you are making a custom build like me. For the first attempt, I put the size a bit smaller, so it was out of scale, but I sanded down and then I did it again, but it came out perfect and the size is pretty accurate with the scale. And also the side skirt looks very good, and I'm thinking about to make a custom engine cover and put a 2JZ on it and engrave it with this, but we will see. It will be in the next video, and I will upload the STL file for the new exhaust. Feel free to download it in the video description box below. That's for this video. Hope you guys enjoying the project, and let me know which sound did you like, the new exhaust or the previous one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.